Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. So this is the latest question on Leetcode. This is number 3758, convert number words to digits. It just came out yesterday and I was able to solve it easily here without any assistance. So yeah, let me show you how I did it. So basically you have this string called s, and basically I just followed the instructions exactly as asked. You're matching numbers from 0 to 9 without spaces, and if you can match a number, notice that the biggest length is going to be 5 and the smallest is going to be of length 3. If you can match it, then move the pointer that much forward. If you cannot, at least move it forward by 1 so that we don't get an infinite loop. So let's do that. While I is less than length of s, we'll write this later, but let's first create the mapping. So 0 and 1 and 2, and we do this all the way to 9. Let's declare the dictionary first. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Cool. So now we can move the pointers as long as let's use a 2-pointer technique, or the way I did it is basically just, we know that the smallest is 3, the biggest is of length 5, so we can just say let's just call this 3 is s of I plus 3, 4 is s of I plus 4, and 5 is s of I plus 5. And then we're just going to go and case each of these. So if 3 is in our dictionary, then we're going to replace it, or we're going to append the value. So we're just going to append d of 3, move I forward by the length of 3, and then also set a flag to false, indicating that we've actually matched this word, right? Otherwise, if 4 is in dictionary, same thing. Append that value, for example 5, then we're going to append this to the list, move it forward, set flag to false. If 5, d5, length of 5, flag is false. Okay, cool. So now at the end, if flag is still true, then we can't match anything. Then we're just going to move it forward by 1, as it says here. Otherwise, advance by the length of that word. That's what we're doing right here. Okay, and at the end, if we print the result, then we should see what we have. And then we just need to turn this back into a list. So we're just going to return join without spaces of result. Okay, let's run this. Submit it. And there you go. Passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.